If you're seeing an MSN error 400, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy fix that works for most browsers. This is a common issue, and in many cases it happens because of corrupted cookies or cached data stored in your browser. So before you assume the site is broken, try this simple troubleshooting method first. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or whatever browser you normally use to visit MSN. Once your browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find your browser settings and privacy options. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now, inside the settings page, look for Privacy and Security. This section controls your browsing data, cookies, site permissions, and other privacy-related options. Click on Privacy and Security to continue. Next, find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. This is the main tool we're going to use to remove the stored files that may be causing the MSN error 400. When the Clear Browsing Data window opens, make sure you select Cookies and Cache. In some browsers, this may appear as cookies, cached images, and files. These are the temporary files that can sometimes become outdated or corrupted and prevent MSN from loading properly. Once those options are selected, click Clear Data. Give it a moment while the browser removes the stored information. After that process is complete, the next step is very important. Reload msn.com. You can either refresh the page or type msn.com again in the address bar and press enter. This forces the site to load fresh data instead of using the broken cached version. In most cases, that's enough to fix the MSN error 400 and get the website working normally again. If the issue still appears, you may want to repeat the process or try opening MSN in a different browser, but in many cases, clearing cookies and cache is the solution. So to recap, open your browser, go to the three dots, open Settings, head to Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data, select Cookies and Cache, clear the data, and then reload msn.com. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.